I can say it's exciting, but then it's, first of all, how are you ending? What's your end? So my end makes me excited because I believe that I'm so excited for my end. That would be short because I believe I'm okay. I'm okay with the end. It's a very good end. I've tried to do whatever I wanted to do to the Rwandese. I've executed my duties. So I have long-term projects. Because I started an intergeneration dialogue that I'm supposed to be running annually. So this is a project that I started, that I initiated, that I have to be running annually every year when it comes. The idea basically came from bringing different generations together, because if we take a flashback of our country's history, even before it's a country that was commonly admired for its unity, so bringing generations together to have to discuss, bring ideas together, work towards a common goal and find solutions. So I basically started that as a project that will keep running annually, because gathering the powers of the youth, gathering their ideas is something that I wanted to be ongoing. So when you go back to my project, I had promised to advocate and promote domestic tourism, mainly starting local domestic tourism. This is something that I started right away after the call, not even 2 weeks after. So I took a team of journalists, because I believe the journalists speak out for the many people, and we cannot speak about or talk about or even share ideas or share the places we don't know to other people, to the foreigners. So it's something that I did excellently. I tried to visit different places, and besides even the project that I had promised, I went using the platform that I was having. I crossed a little bit and tried to do some other things. For example, if we kept on seeing them or reading the medias, I tried to raise 1 million to support the children that are supposed to go to university level. I tried to advocate for the people in the Western Province using the platform of Miss Rwanda. Maybe I should go back to the significance of Miss Rwanda. It's a platform that can give you an opportunity to advocate for people, to change the lives of the many, looking at it as just a beautiful girl, but who can advocate for very many causes and for very many social causes. So I tried to go in the Western Province as a province that I was standing for during the contest. So I talked to the governor of the Western Province. They told me that 20% of the people are not having health insurances. Using the platform as one of the significance, I talked to Bank. They managed to raise 3 million to support 1,000 people. So you mean changing the lives of 1,000 people? I believe it is something that is remarkable, and everyone should always, recognize that. Again, I went to Chininya village. I visited the village people who were there. Using the Rotarians from East African countries, Kenya, Uganda, Tanzania, we built 50 kitchen gardens for 50 families as a way of combating malnutrition. And I also have 120 students that I'm also milking for them on my salary. So would you say that Miss Rwanda is not important? For example, recently I even happened to have the chance that I've been the first woman that has been to Miss World. This has put Rwanda to a world map, At least today we can say step by step we are advancing. It's putting Rwanda, it's promoting Rwanda worldwide. It's branding the country's image. So the first time that Rwanda participated in, and we happen to even be among the top 24 of Beauty with a Purpose. And we all know it's a race. You either win or lose. So it was a fair play. I didn't happen to get the crown, but I tried to brand my country on the world map. We happen to be among the top 24 Beauty with a Purpose projects. So it's on a good step. I believe as time comes, the experience was very new. So as time comes, I believe things are going to improve. And maybe the people to go next